This is a test to see if I can upload videos at 1080p manually, and to see how well I can sing next to a microphone. That is my PC. And, well, it's not the best microphone, but it is better than the microphone I thought would be. And that concludes my test.